Good morning. I'm here with Federico, who was voted best dressed man in Vivizzano, and we're dressed alike today, which shows you that it's true.
Grazie, sempre.
Yeah, we called each other. Anyway, we are standing in this absolutely adorable Borgo, and it has the most stunning church across the street from the property that we're going to take a look at today.
Questo borgo che, Annetta, io sento qualcosa di incredibile, è un borgo...
No, it's beautiful, it's charming, absolutely
wow.
charming.
Affascinante.
I like it when he puts on his like sales thing and he does the whole feelings. Absolutely
wow.
charming. Anyway, you're across from this church, which alone is a beautiful view. Definitely a restoration project. They've done the roof, they've repointed it also. We've talked about it before, it's very costly. So this is a good situation here. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous project. I can hardly wait to go inside. Questo tutto or no? Where are we here?
Allora,
this is very, very, very confusing.
Fino al muro. Questo property,
okay.
questo no property.
Okay, so I think these are really important things because when you look at this, you go, oh, this is amazing. And then you realize it's much smaller than it actually is. And let's go look at it. 99 seems high to me. So, because I thought it was like all of this, but it's just this. So we're gonna talk to him a little bit about pricing. All right, let's go in. Let's take a look-see.
Più c'è questo piccolo rustico, che può essere cantina o un barbecue.
All right, so we have this little building here. This is not ours, and this is an issue because if somebody comes and starts doing renovation here, you're in the middle of the renovation. And also, then they do the renovation and then their bedroom window is looking on while you're doing a barbecue over there. E questo vendono or no? Questo?
Questo vendono, sì.
So we can buy this too?
Sì, questo vendono, è una parte
Yeah,
che vendono.
penso sì, penso perché questo è strano, perché, faccio un barbecue e, buongiorno, and, or
Quelli
dormire,
scendono e vengono a mangiare con noi.
No, I don't think so. Okay, so e questa cosa di questo?
Questa dopo magari faccio vedere, è un altro, è un'altra casa con l'ingresso dall'altra parte, da ristrutturare.
Io voglio comprare questo.
La parte di là costa 100.000 euro, ma sono...
He knows how much it costs. It's just I gotta drag it out of this guy. So the whole thing could be bought for like 200, less probably, 175, 150 maybe. So, okay, so now I'm more interested because this is so weird to have this guy here. I mean, what do you, like put trees there and then they can't see? I don't know, it's crazy.
Doveva diventare una sala.
Oh, so they started doing work here. Okay, this is cool. What you could do, what I would do, is I would buy the whole thing and then I would just finish this out and then figure out what I'm doing with that. Because I think it's cool.
La pietra è molto bella esteticamente.
Yeah, no, it's very nice what they did here. And it's at the perfect stage where they haven't effed it up. It's like perfect.
Poi le scale ci portano alla camera padronale, diciamo.
Oh, so that's
Grande.
The master bedroom and the bagno, see?
Sì.
Okay. And these are nice stairs.
Qui si vede come è stato fatto, con criterio.
This is a little weird, but it could
Loro
work.
volevano fare un piccolo locale, diciamo tipo biblioteca.
Yeah, I mean, I would leave it. He wants to make a library here. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this could actually really work nicely. You put the bathroom here. Bagno
Bagno
yeah.
e camera.
Yeah.
Ci abbiamo due finestre.
This is really nice. I like it. I think this is a really nice buy for somebody who wants to do a little bit of renovating. I don't think this would take long to renovate. E questo è un progetto di Marco or no?
Questo ai tempi, sì.
Questo?
Sì,
okay.
sì.
So then you already have the geometer, his brother Marco, which is great because, you know, I love him. I like Federico and I love Marco.
Lo so.
Just kidding. Whenever I hear it's a Marco project, I'm like, oh, okay, because everything's been done perfectly. And, you know, I would probably buy the whole thing, get a really good price on it, and then finish this out. I don't think it would cost a lot to finish this. Non tanti
lavori.
Yeah, sì.
Da personalizzare internamente.
Sì.
Esatto.
Yeah, he's saying you just personalize it, which I always like getting something at this stage because you can make it your own, but they've done all the really hard, expensive work. So it's kind of satisfying because it probably 6 mesi e questo è finito.
Sì,
yeah,
sì.
Like 6 months it would take if you
Organizzare
got a
bene.
crew in here. Especially if you get if Marco's crew is in here, then it's going to be 6 months. I guess that could be cute out there. I just have to think about that little platform. But I think it could be a little sitting area, or an office maybe, you know, out there. And the view from the bedroom out is quite nice because you get the pretty roof line and the stone. I wouldn't do a lot of plaster work, but I have a word about plaster work in these houses. So Americans love this stone, and they like to leave it sort of rustic. At La Fortezza, we have a lot of stone inside, but we also have a lot of stucco inside. And the reason we have the stucco is because this really sheds. And so it's always kind of dirty and sandy around because of the stone, and you can't prevent it. You know, like I would probably stucco one of these big walls. I would probably do this wall. I would probably leave some of this stone, but maybe stucco up to here so it's not so dirty. I don't mind the concrete, but you could also just put stucco over that and then just reveal a little bit of the stone. I would probably leave this and maybe go ahead and use a product on it, and I would probably stucco that. So I would stucco this, and then part of this, and leave the stone, is what I would do with this. And the nice thing about the white is that it really reflects the light as well. So, you know, with this window, it will reflect that wall, which will be white. You know, with both windows, this will become brighter, so it gets brighter in here right away.
Esatto, una bella casa carina, caratteristica in un borgo.
Yeah, and the Borgo is gorgeous. The church is gorgeous. Another way to look at this, if you didn't want to spend as much money, is you could buy this, do a low offer. 75 is what I would offer for this, probably. Maybe 60. I'd go low. And then you can wait because they're not going to sell this right away. So you might be able to wait like 2 years before you buy this property over here. Although, I don't know, lately here, a lot of people are buying a lot of things. He's selling a lot of stuff, so. But yeah, I love this project.
Poi è molto bello che il tetto è molto alto,
Yeah,
ti dà aria.
and there's more to see here because
Sì.
there's also a lower level. So, a cucina dove?
La cucina loro l'avevano prevista di sotto.
So this is a beautiful master bedroom. So far it's one bedroom, but I think you can put bedrooms downstairs. So sotto camera di letto sotto, penso,
Sì.
2. E una bagno.
Sì,
Okay.
sì.
All right, so this could be 3 bedrooms, like maybe 2.5 baths.
2 bedroom.
3 bedrooms. Yeah, the stairs are fantastic. They did a good job on this. The scale is good here. The scale, it's not too big, but the scale is good. And there's birds in here, but the scale is really good. And it's nice and bright in here.
Yeah.
I would probably take this window all the way down just to get like tons of light in here. And this is a very nice opening. This door is quite nice as well. Questa è la camera di letto qua, no? Perché no?
Perché no? Una dépendance.
Yeah.
Esatto. Cottage.
So you could make that a guest cottage.
Sì.
I'm liking this more and more as I go through it.
Esatto.
This is a cool project, you guys.
Abbiamo 2 ingressi, dunque uno la può studiare.
Oh, this is so cool. You could do like a glass door here. And this is the kitchen. Oh, I love it. Okay, this is awesome.
Aperto, uscire dalla cucina.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. I think I would open this to there.
Allora, qui
Un po' aperto questo, or un po',
Di là.
you know.
recuperare un po' di luce.
I mean, I think,
Sì.
yeah, I think we could open a little bit of this. I have to go look. So I think we could open this up, right? Do a square here so you see into the kitchen. And it's a nice thick wall, so it could also sort of be a shelf. This is a fabulous kitchen.
Poi è bello che dà sulla corte.
I mean, I hate to take that out, but it would be cooler to put 2 windows in there. And you can recoup those kinds of grates if you like the grate. They're easy to find. This is fabulous. I love this. And then a glass door there, maybe even a window there. This is great. I give it, a 10 out of 10.
E non è finita, c'è una stanza di sotto.
Lo so. We're not finished, we're going downstairs too. We have a guest room there,
Sì.
bathroom, bedroom, sitting area here for somebody.
Si può fare.
The nice thing is they've sort of finished this so you can afford to do that. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Qui c'è un po' lavori in corso.
Oh, you think? Oh, Jesus. I like how he sells it like, oh, there's just a little mess here. So this is one room. You could purpose this however you want. It would be a great home theater. I mean, it's already sort of set up for that. But it could also be a really nice bedroom for someone. I would probably make this a bedroom, do another bedroom there. You could even do a small swimming pool, just a little like sitting kind of pool out there. Umbrella, barbecue. I mean, you walk out of your bedroom,
Wow.
There's the church. This is really cool. I love it. I love this.
Guardo se recupero le chiavi della chiesa.
Okay, he's
Okay.
gonna go get he's leaving us now. Goodbye. If you like projects like this, make sure that you subscribe. We've got loads more. I guess we're going in the church now. I guess somehow Federico has snagged the key. Oh, there's a person here. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Holy moly, this is beautiful. Isn't this amazing? Holy cow. That is incredible. Oh. So the church that is next to the house we just looked at, they let us in. I mean, it's, wait for it. Look at that. Look at this Duomo. It's amazing. It's really just a beautiful church. Wow. Look at all the work in this. It's amazing. The lady that let us in the church and her husband, oh my God, they were so cute. She was extremely enthusiastic about the church. We went through every single painting, I think, and every single frame and every single saint that was there.
Degli evangelisti. Poi è stata colorata, ce n'era su, cioè quando è stata restaurata ce ne sono solo 2 perché poi sono finiti.
I am getting a very thorough tour, especially for a Jew. But it's very beautiful. So, anybody can appreciate the beauty of a church for sure. And one this beautiful. It's really very beautiful.
Che ha gli occhi di vetro.
Oh, glass eyes. It's out of wood.
Poi noi tutti gli anni partecipiamo.
Oh.
Ed è stato restaurato a forza di soldi da benefattori.
Uh-huh.
A suon di 2 euro siamo arrivati a 2.950 euro. Tutti hanno partecipato per il restauro che è stato donato al Vaticano perché appunto questo doma.
3 hours later, we're still here.
Facciamo il presepe ai piedi di Sant'Antonio, facciamo il presepe con queste statuine che sono del primo del Novecento, sono alte così in gesso.